Hello, sixth graders. So I am going to go over the 3 problems from the Google form that was attached to your Ed puzzle from yesterday. All right, so the first problem was 3m divided by 2/5, and it said evaluate this expression when m equals 2/3. So again, since m equals 2/3, we can plug in 2/3 in for m, and we can rewrite that expression as 3 parentheses, because they're smushed together, they're being multiplied together. So 3 parentheses 2/3 divided by 2/5. Now again, I'm multiplying these two. So this is a whole number, this is a fraction. So put that whole number over a 1 and multiply straight across. So that ends up becoming 6/3, which we know 6/3, or 6 divided by 3, is actually just 2. And then 2 divided by 2/5. Division sign, fraction. So we can keep, change, flip. So keep the 2, change the division to multiplication, flip or find the reciprocal of 2/5, and we get 5/2. And to multiply across, I'm going to put that 2 over a 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And that's our answer for that first problem on the Google form. Let's look at the second problem. The second problem was n/3 minus n/6, and solve or evaluate this expression when n equals 2. So since we know that n equals 2, we can plug in 2 into n here and then plug in 2 into n there. And our expression ends up looking like 2/3 minus 2/6. Now we cannot do anything just yet because they don't have common denominators. So a common denominator of 3 and 6 is 6. So multiply top and bottom by 2 to get this denominator into a 6, and you end up getting 4/6 minus 2/6. And you subtract and you get 2/6. Now for this problem, I did say make sure you simplify, because if some people put 2/6, but that's not the correct answer, because you can simplify 2/6 by dividing top and bottom by 2. And the simplified answer is 1/3. All right, so that was the second problem on the Google form. Let's do that last problem. The last problem was 2p divided by 9. And they said evaluate that expression when p equals 3/4. So again, they tell you that p equals 3/4, so you can plug in 3/4 there. Now, when we have a coefficient and a variable smushed together, that stands for multiplication. So if we rewrite that, it really looks like 2 parentheses 3/4. And since we're multiplying these two things together, we're going to put that 2 over a 1. And then we're going to write the rest of the expression, which is divided by 9. So we multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. Bring down the divided by 9. Now, before we even keep, change, flip, I can simplify this, but I'm not going to, because that will make my keep, change, flip a little bit more difficult. So instead, I'm just going to keep, change, and flip. So I'm going to keep the 6/4. I'm going to change division to multiplication. And in order to flip this whole number, I need to put the whole number over a 1. So flip it, and it becomes 1/9. So now I multiply straight across. 6 times 1 is 6. 9 times 4 is 36. Now again, I said to simplify this problem because 6/36 is not simplified. a number can go into both 6 and 36, and that number is 6. So divide top and bottom by 6, and our simplified answer is 1/6. And that's our answer for that third problem on the Google form.